March 13th, 2019 was quite a day to remember when Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram were shut down for a period of time, and the people were reminded of the importance of building an email list. Though the shutdown was only for one day, we did see that those who've already built an email list, they had the extra advantage, at least for that one day. That day, we learned the importance of building an email list and realized how spontaneous the shutting down of social media can actually occur. And this unplanned shutdown could significantly disrupt the flow of content creation for all marketers, content creators, and business owners who rely heavily on just social media for their content and correspondence. Now, if you're not building an email list, that there will be absolutely no contact between you, your clients, followers, and audience within the time frame of the shutdown of those social media pages in particular. Also, not having an email list just in case something happens is putting you at risk of losing most or even all of your contacts and members of your audience. Even personally, I ensure I'm building my email list to go alongside my other endeavors such as content creation. That's why in this video, it's very important that I show you the basic steps that I use in building an email list from scratch. And learning this could essentially help you prepare for premature shutdowns and downtime. Now, if you're interested, then don't stop watching. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for you new guys, I'm Donell R. Jones, and I'm passionate about teaching people how to build a profitable email list business and make some real good money from email marketing. And yes, I love what I do, and I'm most excited about showing you guys these simple steps on how to get it right. Now, with that being said, let's get right to it. Okay, the very first step that you want to start with if you're going to be building an email list for yourself is to have something you're going to offer as a freebie. Now, this is called a lead magnet and would be the form of an attraction for your potential audience. You could also call it an opt-in, but they all mean the same thing. You got your freebie, your lead magnet, and your opt-in. But the basic point is that you will be offering something in order for your audience to give you their email address in return. It's actually a very practical thing. Like, for example, if you're at a bar and someone walks up to you asking you for your email address or your phone number, chances are that you wouldn't give it to them. But if they walked up to you and promised you a gift, if you give them your email address, there's more of a chance that you would be willing to give them that information. But however, what you should understand is that for them to be able to actually get comfortable with giving out their email address to you, is that your lead magnet, it has to be a very good offer. Let it be a sweet enough deal to make them want to give you their email address. Now, to explain this a little further so you can have a better understanding of this lead magnet that I'm talking about, you can actually decide to make your freebie like a free ebook, say in a PDF format, or it can also be a video explaining something really important, say a sort of a guide for people. But whatever you finally decide to settle for, the bottom line is that it must be an irresistible offer and one good enough to compel people to want to give out their email address to you. Now, once you got your freebie, your opt-in, or your lead magnet, once that's ready, the second step would be the distribution of this offer. Now, if you're going to do your freebie for videos on YouTube, you have to ensure that the link is placed in the description and is related to similar videos that border around the same subjects and topics that your initial video is talking about. This would mean that those who did watch your first video would be somewhat interested in seeing other videos from you as well. This is related to what I was previously said on ensuring that your lead magnet is something that would be very relevant to your audience that you're intending to reach out to. For example, let's say I do a video about how to lose weight. It would make no sense if I'm dropping links that lead to a video of me explaining how to make 6 figures in 1 week. That becomes very irrelevant to my audience, and what will more than likely happen is that this freebie would fail to attract those audience that you desire. This goes to say that whatever your lead magnet is, it has to be what they'll be interested in, and also has to be something that they would greatly appreciate. Now, if your freebie is not in a video on YouTube, then that's okay. There's a lot of different ways that you can use when you're building your email list. You can choose to run some Facebook ads, in which you would insert your link to your lead magnet. And you can also just decide to drop it in Facebook groups or simply just drop it on your page. You can also place it on your website, giving it a much wider reach. And of course, you can place the link in your bio on Instagram. So now you probably want to ask the question, okay, now that I got my freebie, it has been created and I know about distribution, but how do I get the actual email address? That's a great question. Besides the freebie, the third step you would be needing is to create a landing page. Now, platforms like you got WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, they can help you do this easily. Now, it's up to you to do a bit of research and decide what would be best for you in creating your landing page. But this landing page is where you'll be able to collect all the email addresses in exchange for your lead magnet. So essentially, your freebie isn't exactly free, but you'll be doing a barter in exchange for their email address. What they'll need to do is fill in a form, just insert their name and their email address. And just like that, you would have collected their email address on the spot. So the fourth step would be for you to select some email marketing software. For beginners, especially for those who might be on a budget, the most common software I prefer would be Mailchimp. But that isn't the only software available. I mean, you've got other ones. You got like Aweber, but you got ConvertKit, you got Trip, you got GetResponse. But once again, feel free to do a bit of research and use your discretion in selecting one that suits you and your business the best. But for the long term, what you might be needing is an email marketing software that will actually allow segmentation and tagging. But those who are a little bit more advanced, this would be a bonus for you. To know very good email marketing, there has to be good segmentation and appropriate tagging of people in your email list. Basically, like after getting your landing page, your freebie, and your email marketing software, I mean, you can pretty much say you're good to go. But just in case you're interested in turning it up a notch, you can do is tag people on your landing page. This way, you'll know who is exactly downloading what and get a better idea on how to improve your email marketing efforts. Now, if you're collecting email addresses and you're not tagging them, then you'll be losing like a great deal of visibility, and you would fail to learn what freebies and interests appeal to a certain section of your audience. So in the long run, having this knowledge will help the improvement of your open rates when sending out emails. The receiver would get the feeling that the emails were tailor-made just for them. Like a quick question, have you personally chosen to ignore some certain kind of email simply because it looked too generic? I'm pretty sure all of us are guilty of this. But then when you see an email that feels like it was just sent for you, then the brain feels the sense to open it, and very fast. This is why it's important to research about tagging and know how to get it right so you can achieve more visibility with your email list. And this gives a great deal of personalization to your emails. Aside from your open rates, when you eventually begin to sell, it's going to also help in boosting your conversion rates as well. Now, I don't mean to overwhelm you with this video. And I know this video is only grazing the surface on learning how to build an email list from scratch. So I've dropped a link in the description where you can easily sign up for my free masterclass on how to build a massive email list. And in this masterclass, you will be learning a step-by-step process on building a comprehensive email list and building it very fast. I'm encouraging you to sign up so you can get all the details you need to move forward on your email marketing journey. It's absolutely free, so take advantage of this opportunity and sign up. And there's also other links in the description on email marketing and email list building videos that I've previously made. So please check those out as well. Well, guys, today has been fun. If you feel you got some value from watching this video, please smash that like button. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And also tap that bell icon so you'll be the first one to get notified once I drop a new video. Have a wonderful day. Have an awesome week. I'm Donell R Jones, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and sign up for the free masterclass. It's something that you don't want to miss out on. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.